Follow the step how to make a simple reflect text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, create new document and use this artboard size. Press M and make a rectangle. Set to no stroke. Add gradient. Press G to edit gradient. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Press T to insert text and set font style. Change this to white color. Press O. Click and drag using Shift-Alt to copy reflect. Move down using arrow to make space. Press M and make rectangle. Add a gradient with black on the bottom and white on the top. Press Ctrl-C to copy. And move this. Go to Window and click Transparency. Select this. Make mask. Click this black box and press Ctrl-V. Set position. Press G to edit. Click this white box to close editing. Select and press Ctrl-G to group. And set center. Finish. OK. Thank you for watching to the end. Support us by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Don't forget to activate the bell to get other interesting video updates. Thank you.